Hello, hi, namaste everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great. So we are here at VGears. Came for the crash guard installation. Finally, crash guards are here. I'll include the whole setup in vlog.
One eternity later.
So we've installed the crash guards and come home that day. This is a few days later. This one's under the cover. I'll just show you. After installing crash guard, there is a little difference in weight. So after installing the crash guard, there is a noticeable amount of change in the weight and turning dynamics of the bike. But that is fine. That can be manageable. So yeah, currently we are out on the road. This video is only to show you all how much margin is this new crash guard taking up, and how easy or difficult or any changes in dynamics while riding the bike. A very bad time to start out. Too much traffic already. Better we take a U-turn here. So yeah, the fittings has changed, and this is the current margin of the bike, covering up to my legs on both sides basically. And about the increased weight that is being felt is only when in bumper to bumper traffic, or only in very negligibly slower speeds. The crash guard itself weighs around 3.5 to approximately 3.5 kilos, I guess. So yeah, that's it with the video. Just wanted to come out and show you guys how the fitting is and how much difference it is creating after and before the guard. No much difference felt unless the bike is too slow, like in traffic or U-turns and stuff. But once it picks up the pace, there is no difference felt. So yeah, that's it with the video. Meet you all in the next one. Until then, ride safe, be safe. Do like, share and subscribe to PD on Wheels if you're new here. Leave down your comments below. Oh, also, by the time you watch this video, that might be Diwali week. So a very happy Diwali to you all.